Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to back up your Nintendo DS cartridges and turn them into NDS ROM files. So there's a few things you will need for this video. You will need an official Nintendo DS cartridge, and you will also need any kind of 3DS or 2DS with custom firmware installed and GodMode9 installed. So make sure your SD card is plugged in, and then also make sure the game is plugged in. Now what you need to do is power on your 3DS while holding start. So it might come up with this, and if it does, all you want to select is GodMode9. Right, so once you're on GodMode9, what you want to do, you want to scroll down until you get to this option right here that says Game Cart, and then you just want to press A on it. Now it's just going to scan and see if there is a game card plugged in. As you can see, it has come up and it has found two files. It's found an NDS file and a trim.nds file. So the file we want is the trimmed version. So on the trim version, all you want to do is just press A to select it. Then you want to scroll down and select this option right here that says copy to GM9/out, and then press A on that. So I've already got one in here, so I'm just going to overwrite the file. It's then just going to start copying the Nintendo DS ROM file into your GM9 out folder. So this might take a while. It tells you how long it takes. Mine right now says 6 minutes, so I'm just going to wait for that to copy across. Right, so it's then just going to say the item has copied across. You can just press A. Now what you want to do is just press B a couple of times and power off your console. To do that, you want to press R and then just press start. So once your console is powered off, you can then close it and take out your SD card. From here, what you want to do is just connect it to your PC. You can connect it however you want. I'm going to use this adapter, and then from there you can transfer across the ROM. Right guys, so once you're on your PC, all you want to do is go onto your 3DS's SD card. From here you're looking for the GM9 file, and inside of that you're looking for the out folder. So inside of here you will find your game backup. So here mine is Pokemon Diamond trim.nds. All you want to do is right click it, copy it, and now you guys can pretty much just do whatever you want with it. I'm going to put it into my downloads folder, and I'm going to be running this with a Nintendo DS emulator just to show you guys that it works. So if I just open it up real quick, then find the ROM. So that is pretty much it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.